Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, we are back with another Mobile Legends Bang Bang tutorial, and today we are learning how to change your name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Changing your name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang is simple, but it requires a name change card or your first free name change if you never edited your profile before. First of all, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang game on your device, and from the main lobby screen that appears on the screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your current profile avatar. Now from your profile page, tap on your name at the top of the screen. In the pop-up, it'll tell you can enter your new name in the text box. If you are changing your name for the first time in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, then you can do it for free. Write down your name in the text box and then click on OK. If you're changing your name for the second time or more than twice, then you need to spend a rename card. After writing down a name for yourself, click on OK twice and you'll need to spend your rename card, or if you're changing the name for the first time, you can do it for free. So that is how you can easily change your name in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.